Welcome to Consumer Flix, your go-to channel for the latest drone leaks and reviews. Helicopter. Today, we're talking about the DJI Air 3 leaks, covering the rumored features, design upgrades, and everything you need to know about DJI's next innovation. If you're excited about what's coming next in drone technology, you're in the right place. Let's jump in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for all the latest drone news and expert reviews. Design and build quality. DJI Air 3. The DJI Air 3 showcases a more refined design compared to its predecessor, the DJI Air 2S, with a sleeker, more aerodynamic body that enhances portability and flight stability. Its lightweight build, combined with high-quality materials, ensures durability for outdoor use. While retaining the folding mechanism, the Air 3 introduces subtle ergonomic improvements, making it easier to handle and deploy in various environments. Camera and imaging advancements. Equipped with a dual-camera system, the Air 3 marks a major step forward from the single-camera setup of the Air 2S. The new system features a 1-inch wide-angle sensor and a 3x telephoto lens, enabling a broader range of creative possibilities. With 5.4K video at 60 frames per second and enhanced dynamic range, it delivers sharper, more vibrant footage and excels in low-light conditions, elevating the cinematic potential beyond that of its predecessor. Flight performance and battery efficiency. The Air 3 introduces upgraded propulsion and stabilization systems, resulting in smoother flight performance even in windy conditions. Its new intelligent battery offers a longer flight time of up to 46 minutes, significantly improving on the Air 2S's capabilities. This extended runtime provides more flexibility for capturing footage without frequent interruptions, making it a more efficient tool for creator. Advanced intelligent features. Building on the smart features of the Air 2S, the Air 3 adds advanced modes such as Spotlight 3.0 and MasterShots Pro. These modes provide greater automation and precision for creating complex cinematic sequences. Additionally, enhanced subject tracking and obstacle avoidance sensors in all directions make flying safer and more intuitive, particularly for beginners and those capturing dynamic scenes. Connectivity and transmission upgrades. The Air 3 is equipped with DJI's latest O4 transmission technology, offering a longer range, improved stability, and higher quality live feeds compared to the Air 2S. The redesigned controller features a brighter display and enhanced ergonomics, ensuring seamless control and real-time adjustments during flights. These upgrades make the Air 3 a more reliable choice for professional applications. Value and suitability. The DJI Air 3 stands out as a comprehensive upgrade over the Air 2S, offering superior imaging, flight performance, and intelligent features. While the Air 2S remains a dependable choice for casual users, the Air 3's advanced capabilities and extended flight time cater to professionals and enthusiasts seeking a more versatile and high-performance drone. Its balance of innovation and usability makes it a compelling option for a wide range of aerial photography and videography needs. Low-light and HDR performance. The DJI Air 3 excels in low-light scenarios, with its improved sensor technology and enhanced HDR capabilities producing clearer, more vibrant imagery in challenging lighting conditions. Compared to the Air 2S, the Air 3 handles high-contrast scenes with greater precision, making it ideal for sunrise, sunset, and nighttime shoots where dynamic range is critical. Environmental adaptability and weather resistance. The Air 3 is designed to perform reliably across various environments, featuring upgraded wind resistance and improved waterproofing for light rain or moisture. These enhancements provide a noticeable advantage over the Air 2S, allowing users to operate the drone with confidence in more challenging weather conditions and outdoor terrains. Precision mapping and surveying capabilities. The DJI Air 3 introduces advanced mapping features, including waypoint missions and enhanced geotagging accuracy. These updates make it a more versatile tool for professionals in fields like real estate, agriculture, and construction compared to the Air 2S, which had more limited mapping functionalities. Eco-friendly innovations. The Air 3 incorporates eco-conscious manufacturing practices, including the use of recycled materials and energy-efficient components. This marks a step forward in sustainability compared to the Air 2S, aligning with modern environmental standards without compromising performance or quality. Enhanced gimbal stability and smooth footage. The DJI Air 3 features an upgraded gimbal system with improved stabilization, ensuring ultra-smooth footage even during high-speed flights or in windy conditions. This is a significant improvement over the Air 2S, making it better suited for capturing professional-grade cinematic shots. Customizable flight modes for creative flexibility. With expanded flight mode options, the Air 3 offers users greater creative freedom, allowing them to tailor flight patterns and speeds for specific shooting scenarios. Compared to the Air 2S, this added customization makes the Air 3 an even more powerful tool for content creators seeking unique and dynamic aerial perspectives. Integrated remote ID compliance for safer operations. The DJI Air 3 comes with built-in remote ID capabilities, meeting updated regulatory requirements for safer and more transparent drone operations. This feature sets it apart from the Air 2S, ensuring compliance with current aviation standards and enhancing its suitability for professional use. Expanded accessory compatibility for versatile use. The Air 3 supports a wider range of accessories, including advanced filters, modular attachments, and improved carrying solutions. These enhancements offer greater versatility and convenience for users compared to the Air 2S, allowing for tailored setups to meet diverse creative and operational needs. Dual camera system for versatile perspectives. The DJI Air 3's dual camera setup, featuring a wide-angle and a telephoto lens, allows pilots to seamlessly switch between perspectives mid-flight. This versatility surpasses the single-camera design of the Air 2S, making the Air 3 ideal for capturing both expansive landscapes and detailed close-ups. In conclusion, the DJI Air 3 is a significant evolution from the Air 2S, delivering superior performance, advanced imaging, and enhanced usability. Its dual camera system, extended flight time, and upgraded intelligent features make it a powerful tool for both casual enthusiasts and professional creators. The improved transmission, better stability, and expanded environmental adaptability ensure reliable operation in diverse scenarios. While the Air 2S remains a capable drone, the Air 3 sets a new standard for versatility, creativity, and innovation, making it an excellent choice for those seeking cutting-edge aerial photography and videography capabilities. Thanks for watching Consumer Flix. Helicopter, what are your thoughts on the DJI Air 3 leaks? Drop your ideas in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe for more updates, reviews, and tech insights. See you in the next video.